If you have a mailing address outside the state of Florida, you are eligible to get your marriage license by mail. My goal is to show you a convenient way to get your license without wasting at least $150 by using a middleman service unnecessarily. You see, there are several middleman companies that will charge you anywhere between $190 and $295 to get your marriage license. However, here's the good news. There is one courthouse in the state of Florida, the Brevard County Courthouse, that does the exact same process for only $86. And if you take the online premarital course, as mentioned in Bonus 3, it drops down to $61. You will find a direct link to the Brevard County Courthouse in my resource kit and on my Florida Marriage License website page. As an extra bonus, our resource kit has another video that walks you through the Brevard County Courthouse website step by step. We make it as easy for you as possible. So how about that? Now, you just saved enough money to hire a professional wedding officiant. Hint, hint.